Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a feature comparison grid using custom shapes in Photoshop. First, I open Photoshop and create a wide grid-based canvas. Then I draw equal-sized rounded rectangle shapes in rows and columns. Now I label the top row with feature titles. After that, I add tick and cross custom shapes inside grid cells. Next, I color code each column for clarity. Now I slightly highlight the recommended column. Then I add a star custom shape above that column. After that, I keep spacing consistent between grid lines. Now I duplicate the highlighted column for depth. Then I add a shadow to make it stand out. After that, I zoom out to check instant readability. Now the best option is clear at a glance. Finally, I polish typography and spacing. This grid